Congratulations. I'm so proud of you. You are amazing. You super duper crushed it. And if you're watching this video at a later time, feel free to go back to day 1 of the video and join in at your own pace. I will have those information down below. Today is day 31 of the FlyLady's 31 Baby Step Challenge, and we are officially graduates of the Baby Step program. You have been doing so good keeping up with all of your routines. You have kept it up for 31 days, well, more if you count the weekends when we're maintaining our habits. I am so super duper proud of you. You have completely did it. I hope you're seeing a big and drastic difference in your home. Let me know in the comments down below what was the biggest difference you have seen in your home. Also, stay tuned for tonight where I have made a very special video letting you know how we will move forward from here. You've established a lot of good habits. Now, how exactly are we going to use them? Be sure to stay tuned tonight for 7 p.m. EST when that video will be coming out. Also, here's another super duper exciting secret surprise. All of you have been working so hard during this challenge. For the people who have commented on these challenge videos are going to be entered to win a special prize. The winner will be selected from a name wheel, so we're both going to learn together who the winner is, and they are going to win the 2024 Find the Fun planner that is coming out the 15th of November. So you will actually get it before anyone has even access to it. This one will help us to find the fun in our everyday lives. Not to mention, keep us on track with the FlyLady's system. Feel free to print it and put it in your control journal if you have the resources to do that. Otherwise, the 15th, the hard copy will be coming out and you can get that one on Amazon. More details to come, and I will definitely link that down below once that happens. For now, the winner will receive that super fun and exciting planner. All the details are down below. I love to do giveaways like this. Last year we actually gave away an Amazon gift card, and that was super duper fun as well. Congratulations to the winner, and if you didn't win the planner, then don't feel bad because you actually won something more important, and that is the gift of a clean and tidy home. You're going to see once this video comes out tonight how easily you can implement these routines and more every single day, and it'll be such a breeze to do. In the meantime, if you want to know how to hack the system even further, check out this video here where I give my best FlyLady tips, and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.